Oh man. I am so angry at Pizza Head because he always is the one that grounds me all the time and sends me to my room. There must be something I can do to get back at him. Oh yeah, I know. I will create a grounded video out of him and post it all over Flash Themes and YouTube. And everyone is going to laugh and make fun of him. Ha 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 ha. Okay, time to make this video. Okay, it is finally done. Time to watch it for myself.
Oh hey the noise, what are you doing out here? And why do you look so angry today?
Oh 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 Pizza Head. How dare you always ground me and send me to my room? That so does it. You are grounded for 234902354728957389357289357289357 quintillion centuries. Go upstairs to your room and never ever come out ever again.
Why?
Oh my god, that was as good as gold. I loved the part where I grounded Pizza Head for that long of time. Anyway, time to publish it to Flash Themes and upload it to YouTube.
Hey guys, what's going on in here? Why all the commotion?
Oh hey. It's Pizza Head. What are you doing out of your room?
What? What the heck are you talking about? What's going on here?
You didn't hear. The noise just made a grounded video out of you, and it's all over YouTube now.
And the video is currently at 150,000 views and counting, and it was only uploaded 1 hour ago.
What? A grounded video? Out of me. Let me see this.
Guys, I think we need to get out of here, right now. Hurry!
The noise. Get your stupid freaking yellow ass down here right now.
I'm Pizza Head. What's up? Why are you going on a rampage like that?
Don't you on Pizza Head. What's up? Why are you going on a rampage like that to me? I know exactly what you just did. I saw the grounded video you made out of me. And now, because of what you did, I am being laughed at and made fun of by everyone. And it was all for you. You know what the noise? This has crossed the line for the last time. For what you just did to me. You are now extendedly grounded. 4 3287462378546138215461392547139954618399546183925461839274581239458123945812394 100,000 million billion trillion quadrillion quintillion sextrillion septrillion octillion nonillion decillion undecillion duodecillion tridecillion quadricillion years. Now, once and for all, go back upstairs, go back to your room, and stay there. Forever. Go. Now. I have had enough of you this time. The noise.
Why on